10 cool gears and tools on Amazon you must see. Amazon is a treasure trove for innovative and practical tools that can revolutionize your daily tasks, DIY projects, and professional workflows. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a casual enthusiast, these gadgets will not only save you time and effort but also bring unparalleled precision and efficiency to your work. Let's explore the tools that are truly next level. Ryobi One Plus. The Ryobi One Plus is a game changer for anyone who loves DIY projects or needs a reliable tool for home maintenance. This tool is part of the Ryobi One Plus system, which means it shares compatibility with a wide range of Ryobi batteries and tools. Imagine working seamlessly without worrying about changing batteries between devices. Its cordless design adds portability, making it perfect for tasks both indoors and outdoors. What sets the Ryobi One Plus apart is its efficiency and versatility. With its ergonomic design, it fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for extended use without fatigue. The Ryobi One Plus is engineered for high performance, delivering powerful torque and precision. Whether you're drilling, cutting, or fastening, this tool excels. It's a brilliant addition to your toolbox and a reliable companion for your DIY adventures. Power Tubing Cutter. Cutting tubing with precision has never been easier than with the Power Tubing Cutter. This compact yet powerful tool is designed to cut through metal and plastic pipes like butter, saving you time and effort. With its sturdy construction and ergonomic grip, it ensures that every cut is clean and accurate, whether you're working on plumbing, HVAC, or general repairs. What makes this tool remarkable is its automatic adjustment capability. It seamlessly adapts to different tubing sizes, making it incredibly user-friendly. No more struggling with manual cutters or uneven edges. The sharp blade is engineered for durability, allowing for consistent performance over time. It's a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike who demand precision and ease in their work. Variable Speed Buffer. The Variable Speed Buffer is a dream come true for anyone who takes pride in polishing and restoring surfaces. This tool is engineered to deliver a mirror-like finish on everything from car exteriors to wooden furniture. Its variable speed settings allow you to adjust the RPM according to the task, providing flexibility for delicate or heavy-duty work. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. Its powerful motor guarantees consistent performance, making it suitable for both amateurs and professionals. What truly sets this buffer apart is its durability and precision, offering a smooth, swirl-free finish every time. Say goodbye to uneven polishing and hello to professional-grade results. Connector Pro. The Connector Pro is the ultimate gadget for simplifying electrical and data connections. With its innovative design, this tool allows for quick, secure, and hassle-free wire connections, saving you time on installations. Its compact size makes it perfect for tight spaces, while its durable construction ensures reliable performance over time. This tool's standout feature is its ability to handle a wide range of wire types and sizes. Whether you're setting up a home theater, installing lighting, or repairing electronics, the Connector Pro delivers unmatched efficiency. Its user-friendly design minimizes the risk of errors, making it a favorite among professionals and dyers alike. Caulk Gun. The caulk gun is an indispensable tool for sealing gaps, cracks, and joints with precision. Unlike traditional caulking tools, this advanced caulk gun offers smooth and consistent application, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. One of its most impressive features is the no-drip mechanism, which prevents mess and wastage. Whether you're working on windows, doors, or bathrooms, this caulk gun adapts to various materials and surfaces with ease. It's a perfect blend of functionality and convenience, making it a must-have for anyone tackling sealing projects. T-Track Clamp. The T-Track Clamp is a versatile tool that brings precision and efficiency to woodworking and metalworking projects. Designed to hold materials securely in place, this clamp ensures accuracy and safety during cutting, drilling, and sanding. Its robust build and adjustable design make it compatible with various workpieces and setups. This clamp's standout feature is its ease of use. With a simple adjustment, you can secure even irregularly shaped items, making it perfect for intricate projects. Its non-slip grip ensures that your workpiece stays firmly in place, allowing you to focus on the task without interruptions. The T-Track clamp is a true game-changer for precision work. Wera Zyklop Mini 1. The Wera Zyklop Mini 1 is a compact yet powerful ratchet tool designed for tight spaces. Its innovative design combines strength and precision, allowing you to tackle even the most challenging tasks with ease. The high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit. What makes the Zyklop Mini 1 stand out is its versatility. It offers a wide range of applications, from assembling furniture to repairing electronics. The tool's fine-tooth ratchet mechanism provides smooth operation and excellent control, even in confined spaces. If you value efficiency and portability, this tool is a must-have. DeWalt Impact Driver. The DeWalt Impact Driver is a powerhouse tool designed for heavy-duty fastening and drilling tasks. With its robust motor and ergonomic design, it delivers exceptional performance and comfort. The compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What sets this impact driver apart is its precision and control. The variable speed settings allow you to adapt to different materials and tasks, ensuring optimal results every time. Whether you're assembling furniture, building decks, or working on automotive repairs, the DeWalt Impact Driver is a reliable partner for all your projects. Works WX572L. The Works WX572L is a compact tabletop saw that offers the functionality of a full-sized saw in a portable design. Its powerful motor and versatile blade make it suitable for cutting wood, metal, plastic, and more. The lightweight construction and easy setup make it perfect for on-the-go projects. One of its standout features is the precision and safety it provides. The Works WX572L includes an adjustable guide rail and a safety switch, ensuring clean and accurate cuts while minimizing risks. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a weekend dyer, this tool will take your projects to the next level. An added safety switch and safety key give this saw an added level of security, so you don't have to worry about accidental starts. Works tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency standards, so you can build a cost-effective tool collection that's been designed to last. On-board storage for miter gauge, rip fence, and blades. Spyder Tool Holster. The Spyder Tool Holster is a revolutionary way to carry and access your tools effortlessly. Designed to attach to your belt, this holster keeps your tools within easy reach, allowing for quick and efficient work. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand heavy use, making it ideal for professionals. What makes this tool holster unique is its versatility and convenience. It accommodates a wide range of tools, from hammers to screwdrivers, and keeps them securely in place. The quick-release mechanism allows for easy access, saving you time and effort on the job. It's a must-have for anyone who values efficiency and organization. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.